Have you received a letter from the IRS? Have you received any type of correspondence via mail from the IRS? Because if it's from the IRS, it is only coming via post. If it comes by way of email, it's likely a scam with some exceptions. But for the most part, any letters that you receive from the IRS regarding your taxes will come in the mail. I want to talk about two very specific letters that you could possibly receive from the IRS. It's letter 1058 or letter 11, and that's LT11. The letter 11 is and 1058 is a letter that you could receive from the IRS in the event that you filed a tax return with a balance due that has not been paid. If the IRS has sent you multiple notices requesting payment and they have an intent to levy, and they're notifying you of your right to appeal or for a hearing. So these letters are very important. Do not ignore the letters from the IRS. It's important that you take heed. And typically, by the time you receive a letter that is a notice of intent to levy or place a lien on any of your property or freeze your bank accounts, you've already received at least 7, 8 letters from the IRS prior. And the only reason you would be, hopefully, you've gotten to that point is because maybe you've moved and the IRS was sending letters to your old address. In the event that you've received all 7, 8, 9 letters and you just have not responded, there's a bigger problem there. And I advise you to speak with a tax professional who can help you navigate the process. Do not go it alone. At this point, you need to have all of your ducks in a row. You need to have a tax professional, a pro, to walk you through, hold your hand through this process. It could be an enrolled agent, could be an attorney or a CPA, but have someone, preferably a tax strategist like myself, to walk you through the process of whether it's an audit, intent to levy, or placing a lien on your property. Do not ignore these letters. These letters mean business. You know, it's not random that the IRS is sending you this letter, the 1058 or the LT11. It could potentially impact your paycheck, garnishing your wages, your bank account, even your state income tax refunds are, open. It could be open season on your state income tax refund from the IRS, believe it or not. So give me a call, ATL Tax Queen. Hit me up, 1-877-983-8838. That number is 1-877-983-8838. Book a consultation with me for about 20 minutes so we could talk about it, and I can advise you of the next steps that we will need to take. You can book me, www.atltaxqueen.com. That's www.atltaxqueen.com. Do not ignore letters from the IRS. Take heed. Don't delay. Give me a call.